outside of the bridge first. Over to the right, farthest to the right, you'll see an interesting looking yacht over there known as Wayfinder. Wayfinder to the right is what's known as a shadow yacht. When you simply don't have enough room already on your mega yacht for all your Rolls Royces and Bentleys and helicopters and submarines, you need a yacht like Wayfinder to follow or shadow your yacht all around the world. That's what it's doing right now. It's shadowing for Eminence, which is right next door here to your right as well. Eminence comes in at about 260 feet long, built at a cost of easily $100 million. It comes with a crew of about 22 people in there, which is a lot of people. Plenty of folks there take very good care of you. Belongs to an Israeli businessman. He's in the film industry, actually. He is the founder of the Power Rangers franchise, which I imagine is very lucrative for sure. We'll cruise on by and take a peek at this incredible super mega yacht. Eminence also features a 1,500 square foot master suite for the owner. That's about the same size as my house in one single room aboard. Also head to our right, another incredible super mega yacht with us, Avanti coming into view now over to the right hand side at the famous Pier 66 Marina. Avanti is another 250 foot super mega yacht joining us this week here in Fort Lauderdale. Keep in mind with yachts like this, they hold a good 100,000 gallons of fuel each time the owners fill the tanks. We're looking at well over $500,000 each time. Pocket change. Wouldn't know it if it fell out of their back pockets. Well, back over to the left now, a little bit closer to reality for most of us, is one of our more popular waterfront seafood restaurants in town. If you look ahead to your left, that is 15th Street Fisheries now coming into view. Over to your left, that's always a fun spot for locals and out-of-town guests. It's actually 2 floors. The top floor is more fine dining. The bottom floor is definitely more casual. One of the best features of the restaurant, you can actually hand feed the giant 5 and 6 foot tarpon fish that swim along the patio tables just off the bottom floor. It's also pretty hard to keep track of all the boats coming and going around here. It is estimated, though, we have around 42,000 boats and yachts in the city at any given time. That's 1 boat for every 3 people in Fort Lauderdale. Lucky for Fort Lauderdale, we have close to 300 miles of waterways, earning us our nickname, the Venice of America. And we definitely attract more boaters every year with about 340 days of sunshine, average year-round temperature around 79 degrees. Kind of like today. And speaking of the Venice of America, well, you definitely have a picture-perfect view of the downtown skyline today coming into view. Off to the left, out to the west. Always makes a nice photo on the tour. You got Fort Lauderdale via the water for the next few minutes. Enjoy the view.
Beautiful day here. Wish I had to start videoing earlier with all of the other celebrity homes